Welcome everybody. Day 3 of Thundercats week. Got Tygra. He was evidently a scientist, inventor type guy. Let's see if I can get his face sort of... They didn't do a great job on the art of these faces is what I'm looking at. It looks like they almost look like they're hand painted. I know they were by machine, but it doesn't look like, like, of course, back in the 80s, they may not have been, the robots probably weren't that great. You got the hair going around, but otherwise no real details on his back. Of course, he got the switch, and he came with a bolo whip. So his arms are pretty well spring-loaded, and that thing would fling that whip around. It was basically a little, probably 6-8 inch piece of string with little teeny tiny beads on the end. Got, evidently, according to from what I can read on the wiki, he was able to turn himself invisible, and he was second in command. That is a satisfying, mechanism there. He means business. No, he got looks like almost sandals. His toes are showing here, and as well as his heels. He got, pretty plain. Got his Thundercat insignia. And he's getting some, you can see some discoloration there between, I'm sure these were originally the same color, that blue and that blue. I didn't even look to see what time, let's see, 1985, Telepix, LGN. But there's old Tygra. So, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.